The new Nio EC6 is positioned as a mid-size coupe SUV based on the second-generation technology platform. By September, after the full launch of the second-generation 8 models, all products of the second-generation technology will be replaced. They can meet 80% of user needs in the high-end market. In terms of appearance, the new car adopts the new design concept of the Nio family. The air intake grille and transitional black trim have been eliminated, and a larger vent has been placed in the lower casing, which makes up the entire front of the car. Look more concise and atmospheric. The new car still adopts the split headlight design. The upper LED daytime running lights have changed to a two-stage design, while the lower headlight cluster looks more rounded. Looking at the rear of the car, the new car still maintains the coupe shape with a large fastback, but the overall line looks more rounded, and the shape of the wheel arches on both sides also returns to the traditional arc shape. The new car adopts the more popular taillight design, so the car logo is moved up and then the light clusters surrounding the two sides are moved down. The general outline surrounding the rear of the new car has become smoother, but there is still a good sense of hierarchy at the rear of the car. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of the new car are 4849/1995/1697 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2915 mm. In terms of power, the new car will use front and rear dual engines with a total power of 360 kilowatts and will be equipped with a four-wheel drive system. It is worth noting that after Nio launched the new ES6 built on the NT 2.0 platform, the new car adopted the strategy of reducing prices and increasing configurations to improve the competitiveness of new cars. The guide price of the new car is 338,000 to 554,000 yuan.